wishing you can be with us, cause the party poppin'. You say you can dig, man, we ain't seen nothing. Your girl wanna be with us, now I heard she said she want a mud digger. We keep the mud by the pound, the tires stay roaring while we ride through the town. Mud digger, and I keep a bad truck around, big truck, all suspension 40 inches from the ground. Mud digger, and my Chevy sitting on 44s, pipes out in glass pack, straight pipe shop. Mud digger, y'all don't know how mud digging goes and get a couple of tickets to a mud bogging show.
Hot damn, it's your boy Colt Ford on this bitch, in a rocky bitch, lift nuts hanging from my hitch. I'm sitting about 5 feet from the concrete, hitting Mickey Mouse roll when I'm coming down the street. You can keep your 24s, cause we got 44s, magnums and tires, whatever you desire. Any way you want it, we can do it in the mud. Ask anyone around here, they tell you what's up. We some
mud diggers, we keep the mud by the pound, the tires stay rolling while we ride through the town. Mud digger, and I keep a bad truck around, big truck, all suspension 40 inches from the ground. Mud digger, and my Chevy sitting on 44s, pipes under glass pack, straight pipe shop. Mud digger, y'all don't know how the mud digging goes and get a couple of tickets to a mud hauling show. Get like you, no, get like me. We don't rock them gangster clothes, we be wearing Wrangler jeans. People rolling with them ATs. We be mudding, jumping, stun, humming with the Mud King MTs. Here comes RC in that 2500 HD. Asking Ken, has he hit any ditches lately? Big D, mudding, chugging beers, 3 seconds till they empty. I see you mudding with me, cause we some mud diggers. We keep the mud by the pound, the tires stay rolling while we ride through the town. Mud digger, and I keep a bad truck around, big truck, all suspension 40 inches from the ground. Mud digger, and my Chevy sitting on 44s, pipes out in glass pack, straight pipe, y'all know. Mud digger, y'all don't know how the mud digging goes and get a couple of tickets to a mud bogging show.
You gon' always hear me showing love for my mud. Cold beer, big deer, country girls buzz. Coon dog, cook hog, nothing like a mud ball. This is where it's at, son. Better go get you one. Lift it, no shit. Jack up your granny's car. Take it to the bar, you can be a mud superstar. It's a lifestyle, baby, now you know what's up. Every single day, we gon' do it in the mud. We some mud
digger, we keep the mud by the pound, the tires stay rolling while we ride through the town. Mud digger, and I keep a bad truck around, big truck, all suspension 40 inches from the ground. Mud digger, and my Chevy sitting on 44s, pipes out in glass pack, straight pipe, y'all know. Mud digger, y'all don't know how the mud digging goes and get a couple of tickets to a mud bogging show. All of those talking, trucking sauce popping, middle of the berry, got the parking lot rocking. Old folks stand, but they still steady watching. Wishing we were quick, but us rednecks ain't stopping.
Dusty and Randy and Mike are in that truck.
Hey, Cameron.
Hell, no, he gets stuck. I guarantee.
Go for it.
There ain't even no way I would even try it.
Right.
I know what that.
Been out there on a four-wheeler,
over there. Hey, right there's where Corey comes to a dead stop. Yeah, right there in between that brush.
To the right where it ain't so
where them big ruts are. Corey comes flying through there about 30 miles an hour.
in the truck.
No, on his four-wheeler.
My brother tried to go right over there with his Jeep and got buried. I had to come out here in the Jeep and stuff now.
Hey!
He's gonna go around and go through this small part right here.
That small part right there, that's what Josh Lytle's brother buried his Jeep in. They had to bring the diesel out there. Right here, at these small parts.
If I had the white truck, I'd done 80 up.
Oh, we'd have had to pull you out 4 or 5 times.
I couldn't handle that truck. I'm sorry, anything in my truck, but someone here pulled me out.
Well, we
You don't
definitely.
know what it's got until you try. I wouldn't go that way.
I see the front end sinking.
Once again, rescue.
That part is, if I get stuck, who's rescuing me?
You ain't gonna get stuck. Pull forward a little bit. Yours was first.
I came to a incomplete stop at the sign. You can see where my front tire stopped. I hit solid ground and it stopped.
Oh yeah?
Look.
Well, hey y'all, watch this.
Hey, I'm going right there. Back it up, Mikey.
Hey, don't be hitting four-wheelers either. Or Cameron's truck.
That's your wheel. I got a fucking four-wheel.
Move your four-wheeler.